So she most likely had a heart attack, otherwise known as a myocardial infarction. It's due to the death of heart muscle. It's usually caused by the sudden blockage of a coronary artery. Good thing we were able to get to her as fast as we did, because irreversible death of the heart muscle can occur 20 to 40 minutes after the onset of a heart attack. Muscles continue to die for 6 to 8 hours, at which the time the heart attack is usually considered complete. The dead heart muscle is usually replaced with scar tissue. Signs and symptoms of a heart attack include chest pain, chest pressure, left arm pain, shortness of breath, and excessive sweating. According to witnesses, this patient was trying to eat 4 burgers in 1 minute.
Code blue in Ormoc Library. Code blue.
Grab our arms. Let's go. Look unconscious.
All right, I think we're good, Jerry, so we'll get the doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Shanna.
And I'm Dr. Moises.
We're here to talk to you about stem cell therapy.
What's stem cell therapy?
Stem cell therapy is the use of stem cells to treat or prevent a disease or condition. It involves manipulating stem cells in a lab so they can multiply and differentiate into a specific cell type. They're then injected into the body where they can have a positive effect on the organ.
Thanks to stem cell therapy, we can help you improve your health. Bone marrow derived stem cells and mesenchymal stem cells and other progenitor cells can differentiate into vascular cell types and restore blood flow. The greatest potential of stem cell therapy is through cardiac regeneration through differentiation into cardiomyocytes.
Any questions?
What's a stem cell?
A stem cell is an undifferentiated cell with the potential to become any cell type in the body. These cells can differ in their potencies. A totipotent stem cell has the capacity to develop an entire individual. A pluripotent cell, such as an embryonic stem cell from the inner cell mass, can derive up to 200 different cell types. A multipotent stem cell, such as an adult stem cell, are more restricted in the types of cells it can derive into. Regardless of these potencies, all stem cells have contributed to research to derive differentiated cells that can be transplanted into a person.
What is a cardiomyocyte? Let's go find out. A cardiomyocyte is a muscle cell of the cardiac, in other words, the heart. So a cardiomyocyte is important in heart contractions.
Because myocardial infarction damages cardiac muscle, we need a way to repair it. There have been successful transplants of human embryonic stem cell derived cardiomyocytes into the hearts of mice who have undergone myocardial infarction.
In order to do this, embryonic stem cells are dispersed into small clusters and grown on top of a feeder layer. To induce differentiation, the cells are transferred to suspension where they aggregate into embryo bodies.
After 10 days, embryo bodies are plated on gelatin-coated culture dishes where we will see spontaneous contractions. Let's take a look.
Hello, patients. I'm Dr. Larry.
I'm Dr. Jerry.
Weren't you guys the EMTs that brought me in?
Oh, don't worry about that. We just got accepted to med school. Anyways,
A couple colleagues of ours came to you to speak about stem cell therapy. We're here to speak to you about the details of that.
would you like to hear about these details?
I guess.
Okay. Patient. So you see, there's different types of stem cells. I specialize in adult, and you?
I specialize in embryonic.
Okay, so adult is a lot better. You see, adult stem cells can be made into induced pluripotent stem cells using a lot of different factors. So these factors are used to maintain pluripotency. These factors include OCT4, SOX2, c-MYC, and KLF4. So using these factors, we can revert adult stem cells into a state of pluripotency. But embryonic stem cells?
Much easier. You don't have to worry about all those factors, too many letters, too many numbers, just the basics.
How do you make them?
See, the thing is that with embryonic stem cells, all you have to do is pull the cells from the blastocyst.
This is why it sucks, SE.
Isn't it SA?
SE Holmes embryonic stem cell. Cue the music. Okay, for an adult stem cell, you can take it from the patient. Take it from the patient, revert it to an induced pluripotent stem cell. And once you implant it, no rejection because it comes from them. You know what I'm saying? Feel this rap. But you take an embryonic stem cell, foreign patient, put it in apoptosis rejection. Adult stem cell, way better.
I know you don't like being proven wrong, but these cells can be pretty long. Let me give you the laydown, just the gist. We pull them from the blastocyst. These cells can be pretty plastic. The improvements can be drastic. This option is preferential considering their unlimited potential.
You want to know how you get an embryonic stem cell? It's not a story that I really want to tell. At first, you have to kill some embryos just killing like a baby. Don't you want to consider that maybe?
The only baby I will murder here is you, so listen to these words I only spit a few. Here comes a special news flash. The extra blastocysts were going in the trash. Someone donated them after in vitro first, so in all honesty, no one's getting hurt.
Brand in my pocket, $1 million on deck. Riding off in the sunset, you bet I'm just a rider. You know, got it all like I keep the hood on smash. When you see me coming home, that's just a rider.
Yes, one more first.
Sorry.
Wait, I'm like walking and I'm like, wait.
Oh yeah.
You're so close.
Rejection,
Like I didn't see it coming. I didn't know you had to flow like a river rushing. That's when she started blushing, telling me she needed help, and I ain't got no time for all that. I gotta keep hustling.